Joe Dispenza has been teaching people around the world how to develop a healthy mindset since 1992. It all started when he began studying the power of thought with quantum physicist Fred Alan Wolf at Princeton University. Since then, he's dedicated his life to helping others transform their lives and keep their thoughts positive so they can achieve their goals. If you have yet to experience the power of this approach, here are 10 ways you can learn from Joe Dispenza. Before we jump in, you are watching the Bloom Today YouTube channel. We are here to inspire you to level up your lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get all our updates. Number 10. Get rid of fear. Fear is an illusion. It doesn't exist, except in our perception. The best way to get rid of fear is by not letting yourself become attached to your perceptions. Fear of death, for example, exists because we believe that death, or non-existence, will come after life, and as long as we believe that, then we'll be afraid of dying. Number 9. Follow your heart and intuition. It's not just talk. The human brain doesn't process information linearly like a computer does. In addition to using left brain logic, we also use right brain intuition. This is why you have hunches and gut feelings about people or situations. Intuition can tell us when something isn't quite right, or if it is a good idea to proceed with caution. Our brains are hardwired for empathy and connection. And that means following your heart and trusting your intuition is one of the best ways to tap into your inner wisdom. Number 8. Take back control over your body. We all have a lot of stress in our lives and it affects our health. It can even contribute to conditions like depression, cancer, and heart disease. But one important way to take control is through diet and exercise. Eating more greens than animal proteins can significantly decrease inflammation levels in your body, leading to all sorts of benefits for your mind and body. Check out our other videos to learn more about how you can take back control over your body, both physically and emotionally. Number 7. Love yourself first. Self-love is not selfish. If we take care of ourselves, it reflects to all areas of our lives, including the people we love. We are our own first priority because without us, there is no one else to consider. This isn't about prioritizing ourselves over anyone else in our lives. It's about making sure we're happy and content before we interact with others or offer help of any kind. Number 6. Ask great questions that bring out the best in others. It's not just a saying, curiosity really does kill cats. I know that sounds harsh, but it's true. Keep asking questions and you will remain curious in life and grow as an individual at a pace that you could never imagine. Question everything. We don't see things as they are, we see them as we are. The first step to understanding your purpose is to ask yourself good questions about who you are and what your values are. Ask questions like, what do I want? What is my purpose? How can I help others? How can I be of service? Who am I? The answers to these questions help us define our personal mission statement or philosophy of life. Number 5. Embrace imperfections as gifts and openings to miracles. There are 2 reasons for everything we do. The first is that it's just who we are and our way of being in life. But there's also a second, more mysterious reason why we do things, because there's something to be learned by doing them. We could call these lessons insights, miracles, or perfections because they always appear at moments when we most need them. It's as if everything is happening perfectly as it should be in our lives. So next time something happens, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Number 4. See life through a greater perspective. Changing your perspective is essential to unlocking your potential. When you see things differently and open up to changing your perception of who you are, you can accomplish incredible things in life. When we change what we believe to be true about ourselves, the real us begins to emerge. says Joe Dispenza in his book Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself, in which he teaches you how to lose your mind and create a new one. Number 3. Release attachment to outcomes and results. We often attach our feelings and identity to the goals we want to achieve. We might say, "I'm going to be happy when I get that job," or "I will feel successful if I lose 20 pounds. This attachment can make it more difficult to accomplish goals. Instead of allowing our emotions to fluctuate according to whether or not we reach a certain result, we need to choose daily happiness independent of outside circumstances, regardless of whether those circumstances are positive or negative. An easy way to get into a state of happiness is to be thankful for all the things you already achieved in life. Number 2. Be open to miracles. The law of attraction says you attract into your life whatever you focus on. If you put negative stuff out, then that's what will keep coming back to you. Instead, think positive and release any fears or doubts while focusing on achieving your goals from a positive point of view. A person who is open to miracles can start to notice coincidences in their daily lives that prove they are on the right track. So instead of focusing on the negative today, find the positive in everything, and miracles will unfold themselves. Number 1. Practice gratitude every day. Embracing an attitude of gratitude can help you live a healthier, happier life. An easy way to work gratitude into your daily routine is to use a gratitude journal. Even if you take just 5 minutes a day to write down the 3 things you are grateful for, you will start to notice the difference in your state of mind within a few days. It's also important to remind yourself that even when you're going through a hard time, there are still things for which you can be grateful. For example, that smile someone gave you, or that beautiful butterfly you spotted from your window. If you can be grateful for the little things in life, you will enjoy life more. Let us know your favorite lesson from Joe Dispenza in the comments below. We hope you got inspired by this video to level up your lifestyle. Please join our awesome community by subscribing now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get updates on our latest videos. We see you in the next video.